Hello guys, welcome to your 17th Java tutorial. This is Anirudh here, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you about the math class. Math class I had explained in the 15th tutorial, and in that tutorial it's I give you a few examples and about static and things. So to call any method of the math class, you just need to write math dot and call the required well method or whatever you want to call. So now for let me just give you some examples. So math dot seal, what this does, well, this rounds the number that is here to the smallest integer not less than x. Okay, for example, if I put seal 9.2 here, so it should output 10. Okay, so I don't think this will output anything, so I need to write system dot out dot println, and like this it should do. So I just need to system dot out dot println. This is something that I should copy so that I don't need to keep on typing the same thing. Math dot another function that I should teach you is max, that will return the maximum of two values. So I will put out 3 and let's say 14, so it should output 14 here. Another system dot out dot println, and am I making some mistake here because this is not green? Okay, anyway, so system dot out dot println, and again math dot minimum, you can return the minimum of two values, so 3 and 4 should return 4 in this case. Oh, sorry about that, it should return 3, which is the smaller of the two values. So again system dot out dot println math dot pow, which will raise, let's see, 2 to the power of 4, that is 16. It should output 16 here. I'll just make comments as to what it should output. 10, 14 and 3 and 16. Okay, again system dot out dot println math dot, let's see, sqrt, square root, and it will give us the square root of a number, so I'm giving it 400, and that should be 20. So again system dot out dot println math dot, let's see, should I show you the trigonometric functions? I don't think so. So I'll give you the absolute value. It will give the absolute value of something like minus 23.4, and I'll just copy this line. 23.4, this should be the output, and I remove the minus sign and it should again still be 23.4. So you must have understood what this does. This gives the absolute value of the parameter here, so the minus sign is essentially removed here. Okay, and well, let's run it and see if all of it works. So it outputs 10 perfect, 14 perfect, 3 perfect, 16 perfect, 20 perfect, 23.4, 23.4 perfect. So all my predictions came correct, and I have a great knowledge of them, and hopefully so do you. Again, let me explain everything to you. What seal does, it rounds off this here, which is to an integer not less than, well, 10. so not less than the integer here, that is 9. So it will be, for example, if the range of the number here is from 9 greater than 9 to less than 10, so it will output 10. If it is greater than 8 less than 9, it will output 9. So this is what it does. It moves you to the ceiling if you're in the middle of a room, and you could go back to the floor or back to the ceiling. So I think there's another function known as, I think, let's see, floor. I believe there should be one actually. Dot floor. Yeah, there we go. So I again put 9.2 here, and that should give us 9. So that should give a better idea to you. Yeah, there we go. It works perfectly. Here you can see the 9 after the 10, which is perfect. And well, what these two do is pretty obvious from their names. So maximum minimum, again very easy. POW, SQRT, ABS, quite nice, I should say. So one must remember that you are able to call these methods. They are, most of them are overloaded, and like we had done in method overloading, they are overloaded in the class themselves according to the parameters that you pass into them. Again, also there is some more things, that these are static, thus you are able to call them without creating an object of the class, although you can call them if you create the object of the class as well. So well, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next upcoming tutorials.